series given general term. So always remember S sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus and so on and so forth until we reach A sub n. Always remember that this is the general formula in getting the series of a finite sequence. But how are we going to get the series if there is no term given? And the general term is the only one that is present in our problem. So let's try an example. Let's have to find the series of the 5 terms given the general term is a sub n is equal to 4n. Take note, this a sub n is equal to 4n is our general term. Now, how are we going to get the values of our terms? So let's define what is a sub 1. So we need to change the value of n in each equation. So we will change the value of n for a sub 1 which is equal to 4 multiplied by 1. Bakit po siya naging 1? Kasi 1 yung value nung term natin. So, a sub 1, yung n natin doon is equal to 1. Therefore, kapag pinalitan natin yung n sa general term natin, yun din yung ilalagay natin kung ano yung order or position ng term natin. Another one, let's try a sub 2. Kapag a sub 2, ano bang value ng n? It is also 2. So, this will become 4 multiplied by 2. And then a sub 3, anong value ng n? It is 3. So 4 multiplied by 3, and then a sub 4, 4 multiplied by 4, and a sub 5 is 4 multiplied by 5. Now that we already have these values of our terms, let's write the general formula for this sequence. So this will represent as S sub 5 is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4 and A sub 5. Substitute the values of the terms, so it will look like this one. S sub 5 is equal to 4 multiplied by 1 plus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4 and plus 4 multiplied by 5. Always remember the rule of PEMDAS. Do the operation with the parentheses first so that you will have the correct answer. So let's do the operation inside the parentheses. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now, these are already our terms in this general term given. So we can say that a sub 1 is equal to 4, a sub 2 is equal to 8, a sub 3 is equal to 12, and a sub 4 is equal to 16, and last one, a sub 5 is equal to 20. Now, kapag pinag-add natin lahat ng numbers na to, all these terms, we will have 50. So, mean to say the value of our series of these 5 terms is equal to 50. Another one, let's have the series of the 4 terms given that the general term is equal to 10n plus 2. So, like the same process, this is our general term and write the equations of our a sub 1. So, palitan ulit natin yung value ng n natin. So, it will become 10 multiplied by 1 plus 2. And then for a sub 2, it will become 10 multiplied by 2 plus 2. A sub 3 is 10 multiplied by 3 plus 2. And then a sub 4 is 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Now, let's write our general formula. It will become S sub 4 is equal to A sub 1 plus A sub 2 plus A sub 3 plus A sub 4. Bakit hanggang A sub 4 lang? Kasi 4 lang yung hinahanap na term para isolve natin yung series. After that, let's substitute the given value for each term. So it will look like this one. So A sub 1 is equal to the quantity of 10 multiplied by 1 plus 2. A sub 2 is equal to 10 multiplied by the quantity of 10 multiplied by 2 and plus 2, and a sub 3, 10 multiplied by the quantity of 3 plus 2, and for the a sub 4, 10 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Rule of PEMDAS, always remember. So do the operations inside the parentheses. This will be the output, 10 plus 2. For the a sub 1, for the a sub 2 is 20 plus 2, a sub 3, 30 plus 2, and for the a sub 4, 40 plus 2. After this one, add those equations inside the parentheses so that we can have the values of our terms. So this will look like this. 10 plus 2 is 12, 20 plus 2 is 22, and 30 plus 2 is 32, and 40 plus 2 is 42. Therefore, we can say that our a sub 1 is equal to 12, a sub 2 is equal to 22, a sub 3 is equal to 32, and then a sub 4 is equal to 42. Kapag pinag-add natin lahat to, makukuha natin yung value ng series natin. So, once we add all these terms, we will get 108. Therefore, the value of our series in this given general term is 108.